Test. Hey, check.
Family friends, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to our young family. And today we will celebrate the grand wedding and while preparing for the wedding to begin, let's enjoy the music with Beyond Acoustic, the finest band in the Roman City. Everybody, let's party with Aaron. to stay here in Vaughan because I want you, okay, to be the very witness what the guys are gonna be doing here. Do you think the guys can have best of performance? I'm not sure about that, but let's get to see if the Jets can make themselves proud of themselves. All right, now we will be walking versus the groomsmen Dominic Amram, Beethoven, Del Jaser, Ben Hart, Marlon, Jensen Noel. All right, everybody, this is the Groom Squad! Beautiful and equally on fire performance by the Pride Squad and the Groom Scene. By the way, before I get to introduce to you our lovely couple, I would like to acknowledge again our dear, very principal sponsors for this event. Again, I would like to acknowledge first pair of our beautiful pairs of principal sponsors with Mr. Benji. Performance by Mr. Mike and Mrs. Malika Mamaka.
This time, we really need them to also do the same because they are very dear to the groom. Everyone, help me welcome the father of the groom, Mrs. Miracle and Uncle Antoines Ryan, requesting everybody to please on your feet stand for the couple. Ngayon tayo para sa bagong kasal. Everybody, I want to hear your excitement and fun. Make some noise! All right. Love, life, happiness, laughter are very understatement that the couple will be getting. Now, finally, they enter into this beautiful journey of love. In behalf of Concept Events and Management, everyone, please help me welcome our newly wedded couple, Mr. John Novan and Mrs. Precious May. Grand wave your wave! Wave! Once again, let's welcome the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. John Owen and Precious May. Ah! How do you feel when you finally answered and celebrated with everybody? How do you feel, Precious?
Amazing.
Amazing. Wow, those are very great answers. And are you guys happy that everybody joined you right now? They are very, very happy. They're very grateful. I think thank you and forever grateful are not enough words, understatement, to describe their feelings for you gracing this occasion. That is why, are you ready? Are you ready to commit to give them a favor? They're going to be asking something from you. Because of the wedding reception program, we get to expect very beautiful connection of the couple. I would like to ask, okay, listen very carefully. John and the Precious, I want you to listen very carefully. Ma'am, they're going to give a kiss right now. Do you want it to be short or long kiss? A short kiss, okay? Short kiss. Who wants long, everybody? Who wants long kiss? Alright, let me also ask from here, okay? John and Precious, listen very carefully. Hi, sir. Okay. What kind of kiss do you like? Closed eyes or open eyes? Open eyes. Open eyes! Okay, they wanna see you guys have open eyes. And finally, let me ask from this table. Alright, John and Precious, you have amazing guests right here. Finally, ma'am, I would like to ask you, would you like a biting or moving kiss? Which one? Biting or moving kiss?
Moving.
Moving kiss. Alright, here are the guest requests. They want, sabi I'm short, but I think everybody would like to argue that they want long kiss. Second, according to Sir, they want open eyes so that the moment you kiss, you see each other's beauty. And thirdly, according to Ma'am, it's gonna be a moving kiss. It's already not to buy. You can do that later during your honeymoon. So here we go, everyone. This is the couple's way to reciprocate your love and support. Sean, you can do the job right now. It's gonna be long. It's gonna be open eyes and moving kiss. But they will do that the moment you start cheering for them. Okay? Here we go. If you want them kiss, start cheering. Make some noise. Perfect score kiss. You did very well. Precious, I know that you are very much interested about John right now. You did that kiss, but he can do better than that. But guys, remember before you started kissing today, there were already people who kissed you. It's so much love because they care for you. And this time, we're going to witness a very special moment between the couple and their very special loved ones. We will begin with Groom, I really understand that your dad is no longer here with us. But I know wherever he is, John, he is very, very proud of you. Let us clap our hands for the late father of the groom, Mr. Ruben Duran. Wherever you are, sir, you raised a very good man. And he's going to be like you to raise a beautiful family. But this time, John, Mr. Grant, you have a very special gentleman. May I request John to please approach your beautiful mother. The Precious will take her seat for a lovely groom and mother dance. Let's give them a round of applause. Ready, all three, go. bride. The person who found John's heartbeat inside her. And so all the groom and his mother. Let's give them one other time. Round of applause. John and Mary Bernaldine. Beautiful match. Wow, John, I think you become more of a man. That you dance such a lovely mother. Now she's on tears. And where she's coming from. Kasi po, alam niya that this time, of course, that they're how much do you love your mom and dad?
So much.
So much. At this point, ladies and gentlemen, I know that Precious May is such a wonderful daughter. And of course, when there is a wonderful daughter, we expect that parents also are wonderful raising her, giving values, all the things that she needs. And finally, now that you are ready to enter in this continent, you presented yourself the best version of yourself for John. And that is because you were bombarded and surrounded by so much love. You are going to share a beautiful moment with the first king of your life. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all witness our lovely bride, Precious May, to give a dance with the first king, Mr. Jennifer Sandoval. A round of applause, please.
I swear it's still all tonight to make your every wish come true, every dream for all your life. But that's not how the story goes. The world is full of perfect plans.
Precious,
There's a promise down the road.
you are holding the person
I know one day you'll understand.
who loved you.
When times are
If
hard,
you mean the world to
I
him,
know you miss the road. I'll be there.
your true to life superhero.
And you'll carry on.
Your one and your only.
Oh, I am the one.
Your first king.
Sunlight,
Your knight in shining armor.
fathers and daughters.
Father and daughter never say goodbye. Ladies and gentlemen, the bride and her father. Beautiful dance. Amazing. That was beautiful. Thank you very much. Good ladies, Mr. are here, ready to support you, but also the other people who would like to share a beautiful dance with you. So, John, I would like you to get a chance to dance with the person you are going to see, 50 years or 30 years. Oh, I think her mother is very young, perhaps 5 years from now. Okay, that's gonna be what Precious is gonna be looking like. And Precious, I want also you to share a moment with the acting father of the groom. May we request John to please have a dance with Mami Lenny Agudo, and also our bride to share a dance with Uncle Adonis Panangita. This is the exact. Our groom gets to dance with the mother of the bride, and the bride gets to dance with the uncle of the groom. Acting as his father. This wedding celebration opens new doors, new built relationships, new version of love. Whoever their child loves, they will also love in return. Grabe natin sila. Wow, that's great, that's great. Thank you so much, John and Precious May. Today is the beginning of a new life. I know that you have already loved each other before. Maybe you had secret travels we didn't know. But it's alright because that's just one way to enjoy your life together. But this song is a new beginning and we want everything to be beautiful. And we are going to witness the lovely engagement of the groom and the bride is officially husband and wife. For the best feeling in this world is to find somebody you love and who love you in return. This is the first dance of John, Noven, and Precious May as Mr. and Mrs. Man. Let's give the couple a round of applause for their first dance, the husband and wife. Marriage pretty. The best it's hardly even. Everybody make some noise for John and Precious May. All the cats dancing with the music, loving each other. A magical wedding of Mr. and Mrs. Brown. Anonymously. A vital connection of two people loving each other. Two people, one love. One role, one home. Dance for love. A celebration of love and a celebration forever. Celebration with families. Hope, faith, and love. The greatest is love. You guys come closer to everybody. One more time, everyone. Let's give a round of applause for John and Precious May. For the first dance. John, the groom, will hold the bride's hand. John, you please hold the Precious hand. Ayan, dalawang kamay. Naghahawakan. Working together as one to make a beautiful slice of the cake. Guys, when you're ready, you make a beautiful slice. Yummy, yummy. Yummy slicing of the cake. You guys love something sweet and something yummy. That is for sure the cake. And now
this time we get to see the groom and bride share the cake. Everybody, let's get to witness John and Precious May share the cake. Let's begin with John. Saan pa kayo gusto, guys? Alright, we'll make sure that everybody can see you. We want you here in front, please. I'm very sorry. I understand that John is very much excited to bring Precious somewhere over there. But guys, don't worry, because we're going to be doing that all throughout the night. Here we go. John and Precious, I want you to share your love by sharing the cake. And let's have John first. John, share your cake. Alright, let's begin with John first. John first. He says, okay, that's okay. Alright, very good. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, let's have John. Okay, very good. Absolutely. But we are not over yet, okay? John and the Precious, okay. Oh, that's great, that's great. That's very nice. More calories, more energy. John, I want you to give me your fork. Just a fork. How many do you have? Okay, Precious, get another slice. Precious na lang. You know, everybody would agree with me that marriage is sharing. Maybe sharing is loving and caring. So, kayo ang bahala, Precious and John. How are you going to share the cake together as one? No, John. You just as one. Okay, both of you, come on. We want to see this. Both of you. Let's go! That's very sweet. Of John and Precious. Now this time, may I ask please our staff to coordinate. At this time, we're going to have our grand wine toasting celebration. Here we go. Proposing a toast for the newlyweds, the best man.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Vince, and this is Francis, and we're the best men. Good evening, everyone. And mag-Bisaya lang ko because, you know na, kapag English. So, pasensya kayo sa ako ang voice, kaya na-concert ko gabi dito sa property Bolog, you know. Medyo paos-paos na. But, enough of me tonight. So, I just want to say I'm so happy for these two. Okay, the first time I met Gran was na ako sa gym. I was at the gym, and I didn't know anyone in Chicago because I was fairly new. So nag-workout ko sa export, and then nakadungog ko ang mga tao nagbisaya. So I was like, ayay, na mga Bisaya, dire, mga gahin ni Gulo. So I saw them, niagin ko, nagpa-chancing ko sila because, you know, I want to be friends with them. So pag-agin ako, nihana ko nila nga, uy, ayaw papadlong riha. So nihana sila na ako, uy, Bisaya ko na. Nihana ko, di, Italiano ko. So after that, we exchanged Instagram, and ever since, almost every day, we're like side by side. We go mountain biking together. Grant was there when I broke my collarbone. He was there to help me. We during the summer go mountain biking, and then during the winter we go snowboarding. And then the time that I met Mikay, this was so funny. Kay nag-mountain bike me. We went on Palos. Oh no, Raceway. So Grant told me, "Oh, this is my girlfriend." I was like, "Oh, hi," and I was a little bit shy, and you know, padimure, harang himnon. So, si Mikay, I didn't know that she took her nursing exam that time. So, for RN. And then a bike me, and then all of a sudden my bike broke. So we stopped. And all of a sudden Mikay looked at her phone, and she started crying. And I didn't know. So I was like, ni, ingani din sila magbike, muhilang lang kalit, ka-weird ani nila, eh. So, and then later she told me, oh, I passed my nursing exam. So I was like, oh, it makes sense. And then, yeah, ever since then, like, even with the current wife, we share problems together. That's the good thing having this kind of friends. Like, you can rely on them on anything. During the good times and the bad times, they're always there for you guys. Like these two. Let's give them a round of applause. And then I'll just cut this short because I know everybody's hungry right now. Like I can see the faces. Like you guys are mad at me. Like who's this guy? You know, so let's raise our glasses. All right, and then for the grand wedding, let's give a toast for Gran and Nikai. We love you guys. Before me, I'll give the mic to Francis. So, kung maglagot mo, si Francis mo inyong i-play.
Anyway, sa tanan. Sorry, I'll keep this short. Mix na lang kay Murag. Isod man dyan. So, na-meet na ako si Graham actually like really long time ago. But we never actually really nagstorya kay sublado mo ko ni si Graham. Now pala, Murag, di na madoon. So, Murag mo to, sige may basketball, mag-sugat niya. We have almost like similar friends. And then first time na ako sila na-meet was through my girlfriend as Edney. Kay best friend man niya si Mikay. And then, you know, there's always like hanging out and stuff like that. And then, you know, like, as soon as I saw Greg, I said, "Uy, familiar lagi ka." Kunya, di pa siya mamansin sa una, kay stricto gayo. Kunya, pag ako, like, couple of days, wala na. Sige na, big. But to keep this short, you know, I appreciate you guys. I appreciate the friendship that we have. I appreciate all the words that you guys give me, all the experiences that we do together, EDC, all the raves. Yeah, like, you know, my life would not have color without you guys. So thank you guys. So cheers everyone.
We have rum, gin, and tequila. Choose your favorite drink. So, Nicola, what are you expecting with the performance? She doesn't know anything about it, that's right. So, this performance is a very good teaser for tonight's honeymoon, okay? So, you just have to be ready, okay? Like good thing, Ayo. That is your ex-boyfriend, now your husband, who is going to do something very special tonight. Everybody, let's give it up for the groom and the groom squad!
Thank you.
I'm very proud of you. Keep it up. And I'm about to get emotional, so I'm going to end it there. So grab your drinks. If you have a drink, grab your drinks right now. I don't have mine because I just chugged it a little bit. And put it up to the two couples. They're amazing. We know we love them. They're a great time in good times and in bad times. I love you guys. To the best future, you know we're going to be there for you no matter what. So, love you guys. Cheers.
Cheers! And thank you very much. Nina Mott, get on everybody. One more time. Let's give it up, boys.
You're gonna pay for this. So let me keep it short. Because I'm short too. He's one of my favorite nephews. They're all my favorite actually. But I've seen them do some bad stuff, and now he's become more good, but he still does some bad stuff. I'm still very proud of him, and I'm really happy for you guys. He found like the perfect girl. You guys are like a match made in heaven. We do crazy stuff together, that's why. But anyway, so like my brother said, we're always here for you because you always ask me for stuff anyway. Yeah, you ask me for so many things. Anyway, if you ever need anything, obviously you can ask me, but don't ask me. I'm not your first choice, okay?
Don't ask Marsha.
Ask your mom first. And then thank you everyone for coming down and showing up. Alright? Cheers!
Cheers, everybody. Thank you very much. And perfect folks
Me, right? I don't need to make a speech. Eddie does? Yeah. My only speech to you is, I did my deed Friday, gave you a bath. Right? So Eddie does the speech. Love you both. Here you go.
Short ballad.
Thank you very much, Miss Vera. One of the maids of honor. But we still have one more. Equally beautiful. Equally beautiful smile. Miss Ethnie May.
Hello everyone. Hello everything. I'm Edney, one sa besties ni Mikay. Isulat na nato ha kay I'm already gonna cry. Few years na nako nakaila si Mikay, but I got to know her when she first got to Chicago, and that's when I realized na di mo based on friendship, based on how long you know someone. Because we met and we clicked right away. The next week we went on an 8-hour drive to Padulong, Canada. Just me and her. I'm not gonna take long kay kapayasan jud kayo ko. Daghan na kayo lungha sa church, sa dances nila. But for someone who's been here from the start, I'm so happy to see how much you guys have grown. Both as a couple and individually. Look at all these people that you assembled here today. All the people who are attending at home. I'm sure someone on Facebook Live. The ones who aren't able to be here right now. And but they're in full support saying a wedding. I hope you both know you guys are so loved. Gran, please take care of my bestie. I know you will. But nawata nila yun na happy wife, happy life. And girl, no matter where life takes us and how busy we become, I'm always here for you. I love you guys. Congratulations. And naapoy one more close friend na mo na ganahan mo greet. DJ, can you play the video?
Hello everyone, my name is Nico Short, some of you may know me, and don't. I am one of my couple's close friends back here in the States. Unfortunately, I couldn't make it to the actual wedding due to some circumstances. But anyways, I am more than happy that you, Mikai, and Melvin are finally having your church wedding, your dream wedding of your lives, together with your family, close friends, and the people that matter to you. I have been a witness of their love story from the beginning, from being just friends to secretly dating, to dating, and eventually being boyfriend and girlfriend. Got engaged and to finally having their silver wedding here in Chicago. It's safe to say that I am always the third wheel. Whenever we go on a road trip, we travel, go camping, biking, snowboarding, eating out, and sometimes going shopping. I know I have said this a million times, but I am so thankful to our close friends and especially to you, both Nolan and Mikai. Both of you are not just my best of friends. You're like a brother and a sister to me. You know that I'm always here if you guys need me. You two are inseparables and are perfect for each other. God always looks into people with good hearts and good intentions to end up deserving each other. Nolan, the equation to make a happy wife, happy life. If you're wrong and Mikai is right, apologize to Mikai. If both of you are wrong, apologize still to Mikai. And Melvin, if you're right and Mikai is wrong, apologize to Mikai. Before I end up my speech, I would like to congratulate you both. Always remember that the foundation of a strong and healthy relationship is to make God the center of your marriage. May these rich blessings be your due. May your wedding days be few and your anniversaries many. May you live as long as you like and have all you like as long as you live. And lastly, may the roof above you never fall in, and may you have both never fall out. I love you both and happy wedding day. Best wishes. Cheers.
Thank you very much, Mommy Lenny. And now let's get to hear from the father of the bride and now of the groom as well. We have Mr. Jennifer Sangual.
Ikaw kasulti, kung sila gusto ko. Ang things ay ang gusto niyo kung sila ayun, gusto ko. Kung mag-away mo, tungin mo sa pamay. So, ayaw pagpapatao ko, hindi ako oras. Wala, nalabi mo nung
Thank you very much. That was a very lovely message coming from the pop.
So hi everybody, thank you for coming tonight, and to everybody who celebrated the most important part of our day. You guys, we really appreciate you. I just want to thank. I just want to say. We really appreciate all the effort that Concepto Events for all their hard work. All the hard work was paid off, guys. I really appreciate Sergio and your team for accommodating our request. From the smallest details, they really gave all their best. Sir Nico, thank you for taking those amazing photos. You and your team did a superb job. For J Visuals team, thank you for the wonderful videos that you guys were so much flexible to our request. For Miss Marielle team, me and my bridesmaids can't thank enough for making us very pretty. And for rest of the team, thank you for making this wedding a memorable day. And for those who came and celebrated with us, we appreciate the thoughtfulness coming here all the way far and near. We love you guys.
That was very nice. There's a message. Let's get to hear from the groom.
I just say from everybody that came here today, especially from Chicago, I appreciate you all and love you.
We love you.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. The very grateful couple. All right, I would like to ask this
the singles gift. I know you are all beautiful singles, all the single gents here. So